sabi niya sa kanyang speech na hindi daw siya tatanggap ng sweldo niya to be fair. Something like that. What can you say about that?
Well, nasa batas po naman natin yan na when you are accused and pending na yung kaso sa Sandigan Bayan, RA 3019 tsaka RA 7080 Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act tsaka Anti-Plunder Law, yan ang mga kaso ni Senator Jinggoy, tig-isa sa 2nd Division tsaka sa 5th Division, isang graft, isang plunder, if I recall correctly, no? Both laws actually say that after a hearing, isang hearing lang, suspension hearing, the public officer or the accused shall, mandatory or exhortatory, hindi siya permissive, shall be suspended. And so when you're suspended, that is without pay. The only time na mababalik daw yung benefits tsaka yung salary because of the suspension is after acquittal. Pag na-acquit daw yung sinuspend, lahat ng mga finorfeit or pininalize siya with the suspension, mababalik. So, yung punto ni Senator Jinggoy na yon, mukha siyang maganda pakinggan, mukha siyang pang PR niya, pang paawa effect, pero sa totoo lang, he doesn't have to say that kasi kahit ayaw niyang i-give up yung salary niya, once na ma-undergo or ma-conduct yung suspension hearing, he will be suspended and his salary will be suspended as well.
Kasi parang may sense of parang may sense of may tinge, merong kulay ng gaslighting Parang magpasalamat kayo. 'Di ba? At hindi ko kukunin ang sweldo ko. Ganyan akong tao. Ganyan akong tao. 'Di ba? Parang may suggestion na pera lang 'yan 'Di ba? Parang kailangan pa bang sabihin rin 'yun Kailangan pa bang sabihin rin 'yun? What's the point of saying that in this very sana 'di ba dito sa kasong to Okay,
I'm sure
Jessie.
naisip niya kasi, I'm sure naisip niya din na yung kanyang presko na yun will be replayed today and this week kasi yun na yung huling salita niya So, umaasa siya na makakakuha siya ng pogi points